Good afternoon, everybody. We have alert days up for pretty much everybody. Here's what we expect. Heavy thunderstorms, 3 to 5 inches, possibly more, in the next 2 or 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week. So the entire Texas coast and the crossroads are going to be in on this. So you just really need to pay attention to the weather. Now, in the green, you see where we already have a flood watch, and that is from Houston through Victoria all the way down to deep South Texas. That is a flood watch. We expect within the next 2 or 3 days some flooding. Well, here in the pink, we already have a tropical storm watch, as you can see right about there. Went into effect right at about 4:15 this afternoon, and that's because we're looking for quite a bit of rain to start rolling up into our area. Like I told you last week, we have an area of low pressure down in the Gulf. It is now getting, shall we say, going, and as a result, the heavy stuff is off the coast. Now, you might have noticed today it looked very different, right? We got the big puffy clouds and a few little showers, but the real heavy stuff is yet to come, and that area of low pressure is right here. Now, it has a potential to become a named storm even tonight, okay? It's up to 35, 40 miles an hour, so it's very close to becoming a named tropical storm. But look at the rain chance. That's Tuesday, that's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. A very wet week in the crossroads. Now, here's the tropical depression. It's down here. You can see how it's going to be moving to the northwest, and then it's going to turn. So we're on the north side of that. So we're on the side where all that stuff is going to be slamming onto the coastal areas. That's why we have the potential to see some of the heaviest rain we have seen in a while. And here's the real tricky part. You know, the big thunderstorms we had earlier this year, well, they would roll through, stay for a day, and go. This is 3 or 4 days. Okay, so our chances for even getting flooding out of this is very high because it's going to be raining over itself. And you can see how that continues all the way to Wednesday. The storm center itself is going to go in near San Fernando and north of Tampico, south of Brownsville. But like I said, we're definitely invited into this game. And as you can see, big stormy weather from San Antonio south to the Brownsville area. In fact, even places like Del Rio are going to, I'm thinking Falcon Dam is going to get filled up after this is through, because in the watershed of the Rio Grande, there's going to be substantial rainfall in the next week. Now, here's an idea of how much we're going to get, and you're going to be a little surprised by this. This is the rainfall total in the future, okay? Hello, you see 5 inches, you see 4, 8 inches down along the coast. Okay, that's what the computer model is telling us. If we're anywhere close to that, you know we're going to get some sort of flooding around here. So here's the future cast. So we go on Monday night, very light. We get into Tuesday morning, you can see the heavier stuff coming in. I do believe that by Tuesday night, we're going to be rocking and rolling with stormy weather moving ashore. It looks like Wednesday will be the peak of the activity when the storms get heaviest in our region. And so Wednesday is really the day I'm telling you, you're going to be sitting at home having a cup of coffee. It's not going to be worth going outside. So today, or rather tomorrow, Tuesday, partly cloudy early, then scattered showers beginning to develop. We're still sort of on the light side, but it begins, all right? And then tomorrow in Cuero, we're looking partly cloudy, then afternoon showers developing, getting up to about 90 degrees. But Wednesday is the peak of the activity. But I have it as an alert day because all of you are going to be affected by it. All of you will be seeing some sort of rain. Wednesday is the peak, Thursday a little bit of a break, and then we'll see how we do as we get into the weekend. But it's a very tropical week, so get your galoshes, your raincoat, and your kayak and get them ready. That's your 7-day forecast, reminding everybody we do have a QR code.